always love it when the road turns to dirt right after it tells me I need gas. Oh, look at that. That is cool. We're turning into a dirt road here. I don't think I'm on the road I thought I was on. Because I don't think it turned to dirt. Oh, God. Hold on. Oh, I do know exactly where I'm at. Hell yeah. This is not the road I meant to be on, though. That's alright. It might actually be cooler. Let's go, baby. This is a lot steeper than it looks, y'all. Cut me some slack. Hell of a lot rougher than it looks. But I know exactly where we're at, and there's the coolest thing up here.
Yeah, the GoPro on the helmet went dead, so I had to use the 360, and the mount wasn't one to hold on because the road was so rough. But anyway, you go up here and you turn off onto this rock face, and you ride out this little path or whatever. You get out here, and there's some really, really pretty views, and it's just really cool to walk around and check out this big rock.
How you doing, buddy? You all right? Okay. This place is so cool. Check this out. Oops. Helps if you open the cover. So yeah, you come out here and it's just bare rock on the side of a mountain. You don't want to go too far down that way. There's a cliff right over there. The Blue Ridge Parkway is up there somewhere, because you can see this from Blue Ridge Parkway. So I did a little research to find out more about this. It's called Horseshoe Rock. It's near Wolf Mountain, Wolf Creek. Not too far from Brevard and Balsam, Rossman, North Carolina. Kind of that west of Asheville area. Very cool though. If that ain't cool, I don't know what is.